Silicone additives boost efficiency, enhance quality, improves processing, surface finish, lubricity, and flow, reduces screw slip, dye buildup, eases mold release, and filling lowers friction, increases wear resistance, extends product life, safe, eco-friendly, no precipitation, odor, for cables, engineering, plastics, automotive, etc. PFAS-free PPA additive, efficient, safe, eco-friendly, reduces melt viscosity, improves lubrication, lowers extrusion torque, pressure minimizes dye buildup, boosts output, extends cleaning cycles, cuts downtime, eliminates melt fracture, enhances surface, complies with PFAS bans for films, cables of pipes, monofilament sheets. New silicone smoothing agent, optimizing film production, long-lasting, anti-stick, and non-precipitating. Stable friction coefficient maintains printability and heat sealing performance and no impact on film transparency. Ideal for BOPA Si-TPV pay films. Silicone hyperdispersant, optimizing polymer processing, enhances pigment at functional powder compatibility, achieves uniform and stable dispersion, reduces melt viscosity and processing torque. Pressure improves surface quality and prevents precipitation. Excellent processing, lubricity applications, thermoplastics, TPE, TPU, elastomers, flame retardant, Masterbatch, color Masterbatch. High concentration pre-dispersion systems, the ideal solution for quality and efficiency improvement. Si-TPV. Silicone TPE is a soft, safe, and versatile. Advantages: skin-friendly, soft and durable, eco-safe, non-migrating, multi-process compatible. Silky cloud film, silky, soft, and elastic. Wear scratch-resistant, superior coating performance. Applications: auto interiors, high-end decor, 3C electronics, apparel packaging. Super wear resistant vegan leather, premium and eco-friendly, features extreme durability, skin-friendly texture, free from plasticizers, AUDMFR, 100% eco-friendly. Applications: auto interiors, furniture, luggage, 3C electronics.